guys, welcome back to Len app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you Swatch King app Shopify tutorial. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be wondering, how do you start using Swatch King here? How do you install it? How do you add it into your Shopify store? Well, adding it and setting it up is very easy. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to shopify.com, log into your account, and access your store. Now at the left bottom left here of your screen, you want to go to settings and you want to go to apps and sales channel. And in here, what we need to do is we need to click on Shopify App Store at the top right. Now, that should open up the Shopify App Store here. Go to search apps, guides, and more. Just type in Swatch King, press enter, and it's going to give you different results regarding Swatch King. So, since we want to add Swatch King here, let's go and click on Swatch King variants option, and you can go and click on install. Now, by the way, Swatch King is an option or a tool or app here in order that actually enables you to add variants option into your products. Let's go and click on install. Now, what we need to do next here is we want to go ahead and basically set this up. So let's go and click on install here. And from here, it might ask you to provide some information and confirm a few things. So if you do see that, what we need to do is we just need to follow the on-screen steps. Now, in this case, it's going to say this app bills you for usage charges. So you have for Swatch King here, you can actually use this for free for 30 days. And it will actually end on the following days here. It will also indicate that. But if you want to go ahead and start using it, just click on the approve button here. And also, if you want to see how much you will be charged, so currently for this one, you'll be charged a maximum $100 here per 30 days. But yeah, let's go and click on approve here. And from here, that should start your free, your 30-day free trial. Now, with Swatch King, we just need to follow the setup guide here in order for you to start using your app. So first is we want to activate the app. Let's go and click on enable app embed. Let's go ahead and wait for this to open up. Let's go and click on manage block. And from here, you want to go to the left side here, and you want to look for the Swatch King here. Make sure it's enabled. But once you see that, you can go and click on save at the top right here, and you're good. Let's go and close this and go back here. Let's go ahead and go back as well. Let's go to Swatch King again. Click on the left panel here. Click on the option. You want to go to enable app embed. So make sure you have the check next to it. So it's going to check. As you can see, we are now good. Let's go and go back. Again, go back to Swatch King. And from here, you can go ahead and configure your Shopify variants. Let's go and click on it. Click on configure variants. Now, from here, you could go ahead and click on add product options. And from here, maybe I want to add a product here. So in this case, I've just added some information here for a sample product. We have a t-shirt. So you want to go to our variants here. Let's go and choose our color. Let's go and add one. So for example, I want to add a white colored t-shirt. And maybe I want to add another option here, which is black. Let's go and choose black here. And maybe I want to add another one, which is going to be gray. And from here, we're done. Let's go and click on done. And we are now good. Let's go and choose the save button at the very top right here. Now, once you've done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to fill out the other options needed for your Swatch King. So let's go and go back here to Swatch King. It's going to say configure shop variants here. You could go and click on configure variants. Again, you could go ahead and do that as well in here if you want to. Next you want to do is you want to go ahead and create your product group. So you have the option to connect different products and show them as variants. So you could go and click on add group here. And from here, you could go and click on add group. And you could go and click on add product. Choose the products that you want and basically add them in a group. So let's go and click on add here, and you'll be able to set them as a different variants of each other. So you could add the group name, the option name here, and the products, or if you want to add different products as well. Now in this case, maybe I want to say it is going to be my sample, and option name is going to be the for example, products option. And let's go ahead and click on the save option here, and let's go and go back. As you can see, we now have our product groups. Next is we want to go ahead and proceed with creating our product page styles. Let's go and click on this one, click on customize style. Now, you have the option to customize how your Swatch King is going to look like. So, for example, if you want to edit the button, so extra small, if you want to customize this one, go ahead and click on customize, set the hover settings, style settings, label settings, and a lot more. So, basically, if you want to adjust the look of your product page. This is how it actually looks like. So you can customize them, delete them if you want. Let's go and click on Swatch King here as well again. Now, next is you have the option to design your collection page style. So if you want to adjust your collection page, like how it's going to look like, you can customize them as you see on your screen here. Again, depending on what you click or customize here, you have the following options like selected swatch, your unselected swatch here, hover settings, you can change the colors, the swatch effect. But yeah, so just for example here, maybe I want to open up my store. And maybe I want to select my product. Let's go and choose our t-shirt here. And as you can see, this is what our products would actually look like. So we have our product here. You can switch over to different products. Since we group them together, you'll be able to basically have like different variants. You can change which option. So we have black, gray for our t-shirt. You can change to a other product here, and you won't have that specific other options here since we didn't group them together. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Learn App. Thank you for watching.